Hello and welcome to this episode of Talking Trim. I'm Jonathon Skinner and today we're looking at a set of fully trimmed front seats for the MGA models. So these particular seats are often referred to as the De-Lux or the competition style De-Lux seats, and they were fitted to some of the coupe models and some of the roadster models. Standardly, both the roadster and the coupes were fitted with their own version of seat covers. I'll just refer to this book down here. So here we've got the De-Lux style ones, which are very obvious because they have this horseshoe design as per those there. Whereas if I go back a page, these are the common style De-Lux, the common style coupe ones, which just had the left to right pleats on them. And then the roadsters, where are we? There we are, the roadsters, they had a top to bottom and front to back style pleat finish on them. In fact, there's some roadster ones right there. So yeah, three styles of seats on the MGAs, one common for the roadster, one common for the coupe, and then these De-Lux competition style seats which were fitted to some of the roadsters and some of the coupe models. That being said, let's dive on in. So seat frames have been sent over from a customer over in the US, and we've stripped them down, we've sandblasted, powder coated, painted, and then made new seat covers for him, new foams, webbings, tacking strips, the whole shebang, and trim them up for him. These have been done to a leather face specification, which was original for the majority of the cars, which means that the majority of the bits that touch your body when you're sat in the seat are leather, but some of the backs and surrounds are vinyl. For example, this main panel on the back here is vinyl, but all the main facing materials here are leather. In fact, the majority of the cushion is leather. That's leather going around there with only a bit of vinyl on the inside edge there effectively. I think even this surround up here is leather. So yeah, they are majority leather with elements of vinyl in them, but we refer to that as leather faced. Our website see that because we do also offer a full leather option, which is where there's no vinyl present at all. Piping, leather cloth as standard where available. These have been done in our cherry red, and it's been done in the smooth style texture finish. See our website for more details on that. Offer both for most colours. Yeah, very nice, very nicely done set of seats here, hence why I'm videoing it. They're not particularly straightforward to trim, these seats, compared to say the roadster ones in the background over there. They're really quite over-engineered. There's a lot of webbing bits for both the backrest and the cushions, which make it quite complicated. And this backrest panel here is frankly a bit of a pain. Unlike the roadster and coupes, where the backrest panel is effectively attached to the frame and then the seat cover go over the top of it, this De-Lux style one, the panel is actually trimmed in this material here, and then it's got a stitch line going round, and you effectively tack this panel on. Now, the original panels, you could actually end up seeing the tacks. It was meant to be hidden by this lip here, but you could often see the tacks. So we've had to be quite tactical, play on words. You can just about see the tacks underneath there, but we've tried to hide them as best as possible there. But yeah, really quite over-engineered seats. You can see all the webbings coming through the bottom here with these securing elements here. So yeah, quite tough seats to do, so we would recommend getting a trimmer who's hopefully familiar with them. Obviously, as with all of our kits, we're more than happy to help and advise either yourself or a professional trimmer if they're unsure of it. But this is the basic benchmark that you should be looking to achieve with our kits. As you can see, very nice result there. Looking forward to getting some photos of these all fitted in the car. We supplied a full kit to this customer of ours over in the US. So yeah, that's basically the lowdown on the MGA De-Lux competition style seats. I hope you found it informative. Please remember to like, subscribe and share with other classic car enthusiasts, and until next time, see ya.